So get ready with me to go to a conference. Yeah, I know, too much media girly thingy, but the place that I was interning at last year has invited me to this event, so I have no option but to go. And today's vibe is academic plus casual. Like, I don't want to look too professional, but I also don't want to look too casual. So let's see which outfit goes with that. So firstly, we are going with this black and white check shirt. There are two kinds of checks. One is a big check and one is this small check. I believe that big checks look too casual, and today we need a professional vibe, so I'm going with small checks. So let me try it on. This is how the shirt looks. It is so comfortable, oh my god. I love it. This is just plain black jeans that I'm going to wear under it. I wear this jeans all the time because it's so comfortable. Let me try it on. So there are two ways to wear this now. Either I can put one side out, like I'm wearing it right now, or I can just tuck it in. Yeah, so this is fine. Now this whole outfit is looking too professional, so I'm layering it with a short denim jacket. This is the denim jacket that I'm going to wear. Let me try it on. Layering means when you wear one cloth over another cloth, right? And there are different kinds of styling. You can wear a long jacket over a long shirt, you can wear a short jacket over a long shirt, or you can wear a short jacket like I'm wearing right now with a short length shirt. Also, I am wearing a short denim jacket because then my legs will look longer. This is a hack, please remember. I'm going to take this tie and then wear it very loosely. Yeah, just like this. You guys must have seen this trend everywhere. I'm also hopping onto this trend now. And let me tell you, this kind of styling is called androgynous styling. Androgynous styling is when you take a piece of cloth which is traditionally considered a masculine piece, okay? That males wear it, and then you as a girl wear it in a very feminine and a very relaxed manner. So I have basically taken away any professional look that this type of gift by wearing it so loosely over this random jacket and shirt. I don't know why I'm always late to all the trends, but in my last video, I finally hopped onto the trend by wearing a waist chain. So I'm going to follow it because I want to give my outfit a more professional look. So we are completing this outfit with big framed black glasses. This outfit look, oh my god, I love this look. I love this, I love this. And also let me tell you that this kind of styling is called sandwiching. Sandwiching means when I am wearing the same color at the bottom and also at the top. So at the bottom of my outfit, I'm wearing black color jeans, and at the top of my outfit, I'm wearing black color glasses. So I'm basically sandwiching. And this is mostly done to make the outfit look more put together, more cohesive. And since I'm going to a professional place, my outfit needs to look put together. For shoes, I'm wearing my black speed cat. This is the final outfit. Now, I recently got this haircut which is so different from my old haircut, and I don't know, I just cut my hair too short this time, but it's fine. Like, I was freaking out about it a lot, but then I thought that, you know what, this is not permanent, so I'll just enjoy this hair while it lasts. So, you know what, I'm admiring it. I'm owning this haircut. And I think this is giving very academic vibe. Now, as always, I'm not doing any makeup. I'm just going to put some lip gloss on. Just lip gloss. So, yeah, I'm done. This is the final look. So, yeah, this is it for the video. I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.